India is home to some of the most diverse ecosystems in the world, but this biodiversity faces constant threats. In 1972, the Wildlife Protection Act was enacted, marking a significant step towards safeguarding our rich natural heritage. Join us as we explore how this act plays a vital role in preserving our wildlife and their habitats. The Wildlife Protection Act was introduced with clear and ambitious objectives to ensure the survival of our precious species. Objectives: protect wildlife species, prevent the extinction of endangered flora and fauna, preserve habitats, maintain the ecological balance through habitat conservation, regulate exploitation, combat illegal activities like poaching and the wildlife trade. But why is this act so crucial for biodiversity conservation? Let's find out. Preserving biodiversity isn't just about saving species. It's about maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Key points. Protection of endangered species safeguards iconic animals like the Bengal tiger and Asiatic lion. Ecosystem services conserves ecosystems that provide clean air, water, and fertile soil. Cultural and economic benefits protect species that hold cultural significance and boost ecotourism. Success of Project Tiger under the Act. The Act lays down comprehensive provisions to ensure the survival and safety of our wildlife. Key provisions. Species classification categorizes species into schedules based on protection needs. Habitat preservation establishes guidelines to conserve natural habitats. Wildlife crime control empowers authorities to investigate and penalize illegal activities. Protected areas are the cornerstone of wildlife conservation under this Act. Types of protected areas: national parks, strict protection with no human activities allowed. Wildlife sanctuaries, conservation-focused, allowing regulated human activities. Conservation reserves, areas involving community participation for conservation. Examples: Jim Corbett National Park, famous for tiger conservation. Kaziranga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site for the one-horned rhinoceros. The Act ensures strict penalties for those who violate its provisions. Penalties: fines up to 25,000 rupees for offences like poaching, imprisonment up to 7 years for severe violations, seizure of property, confiscation of assets involved in illegal activities, enforcement measures, establishment of the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, collaboration with international organizations to curb wildlife trafficking. The Wildlife Protection Act is more than just a law. It's a commitment to our planet's future. By protecting wildlife, we ensure the survival of ecosystems that sustain us all. Call to action. Remember, every action counts. Avoid products made from endangered species, support ecotourism, and spread awareness about conservation. Together we can make a difference.